Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins. How are you guys? So today I'm very excited because I got a brand new subscription that's only been out for a few months. I knew looking at their Instagram that they were going to include an eyeshadow palette, so that's why I didn't put eyeshadow, but for the rest of the stuff I don't know what it is. I don't even know which eyeshadow, so I hope it's something neutral since I have to go to work after I film this. But yeah, so I'm very excited to introduce to you guys the box. The box is actually from Fashionsta.com. They're an influencer curated company and app, so I think that's really neat. And the biggest and most amazing part about the box, it's only $19.99, no tax, no shipping fees at this time. I'm saying at this time because most other subscriptions nowadays are charging sales tax, so I feel that that might be adjusted at a later time once they catch up, because most states are implementing online sales tax. But again, for $19.99, and they are guaranteeing $100 to $150 worth of value. I don't remember them stating if there was a certain amount of items. They just put a dollar amount actually. Also, so you know, is I am an affiliate with them, and if you guys use my link down below, it gives you a discount, I believe. I'll double check and I'll put it down below, but it gives you a discount for your purchases. You can also, if you do like the subscription box and you would like to get it, you can actually sign up for their wait list, which you have to act fast. Once you get that email letting you know that spots are available, act immediately because those spots go fast. So make sure you don't lose your spot, because they do not hold spots either. But yeah, so I'm very excited, but I'm gonna insert a little clip of how difficult it was to get my box out actually from my mailbox, because USPS did me dirty for real. Alright, so let's open her up. I mean, it was even open here. So this is how it comes. It automatically has your card on top. And if you look at that, it says if you want a free box, basically post on your socials, so that's pretty cool. The card, it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $100 to $150 worth of product you will enjoy and love. I want to personally welcome you to our Fashionsta Glam fam and continuously curated collection of classic brands and unveiling of new and emerging brands. So that's really cool. So they also put up and coming brands as well. Box and delivered to your door each month. Also send us a code for 30% off on purchases on their website. They do, I mentioned, like my affiliate link for the discount is only, they have a website that you could buy product, kind of like Beautylish or the Derma store, where it's a makeup website. So you could purchase stuff from there. And if you use my link for the subscription, I do not get anything out of it whatsoever. It's just a link for you guys to subscribe and get the box and hopefully join the Fashionsta Glam family. I love the paper. It's so fancy. Look at how nicely packaged this is. On the back of the card, it does have the list of items and prices. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this because I've always wanted to try a Sigma product. It says Aurora powder. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. Oop, there it goes. Oh, how pretty. That is such a beautiful blush, actually. So the Sigma pet name Aurora powder is a blush, and it retails at $19. So that is amazing. Right there, pretty much, it paid your box. Next item, which is what I see also right on the top, is this tiny little beauty blender. This is not a mini, but it's kind of like a medium size. And the Beauty Blender retails at $16, and it's kind of like a soft gray tone. Ooh. Next, this is from Girlactik. It took me so long to say that name before. Oh, beautiful. It's a brown eyeliner, and look at that tip. I forgot to mention that Girlactik mechanical eyeliner is $19. Next is a Dose of Colors. The Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lip in Cinnamon Girl. I didn't know we were gonna get a lipstick, so if it's a nice color or at least blends with my look, I will definitely swap it out to what. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh shit, I tipped it. Look at that color. So I will definitely take this color that I'm currently wearing and switch to this one before we're done. The Dose of Color lipstick satin lip is $17. This product is from Everyday for Everybody Soothe Operator, and it retails for $18, and it says it's a very hydrating face and body mist, so that's really cool. And it has aloe, Cacodon Plum, and Desert Lime. I don't know what that is. Here's how the bottle comes. So make sure you guys spray it once or twice to make sure it doesn't spout out. It smells really good. Next is an eye primer from Heir. It says Heir Atelier, $32. Whoa. That's pretty pricey, but most higher ends are. Oh, it's a twist. Ooh, comes with a nice doe foot, and it looks moisturizing. This reminds me of my Wonder Beauty Smooth Sailing, so this is nice. So this is the Realher. This is the Realher eyeshadow palette. It's $28. Embrace Yourself. So let me take off the paper. Look at those colors. They're so pretty. This kind of reminds me of the Huda plus the orange. It's stunning. Our last item is this little guy. I think it says Wake Up and Makeup NCLA. I actually had some nail polish from them. It's a cute little compact. Very nice. So what's nice about the card, they actually total everything up for us, and for all the items it totals to $149, which is absolutely amazing. And we got 2, 4, 6, 7 plus the add-on 8 items. That's awesome. So now I'm gonna do a quick little makeup look with the eyeshadow palette and apply the blush, and again swap out the lipstick. So there's the final look. I'm very happy with all the products that I got. I can't wait to use the rest. This is a great everyday look. Like I said, I'm gonna be heading off to work now. So let me know what you guys think about the box. Did you guys like it? Will you guys be signing up? Again, it's a new subscription. It's only been out for a few months, so it's a great deal, you guys. It's $19.99. Make sure to use my link if you guys are looking at purchasing other products. You guys do get a discount. And yeah, again, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys give a thumbs up to my video, and see you guys in the next one.